Hi guys! Welcome to Sweetwater Cakes. I'm Michelle and joining me today is...
Becky.
I'm so glad to have you here. Thumbs up if you love kids baking. So today we are going to make a cake and she doesn't even know what it is. I'll give you 3 clues. Ready? First clue, he's a monster. Second clue, he's blue. Third clue, he loves cookies.
Cookie Monster.
Who is it?
Cookie Monster.
Cookie Monster! So let's get started. Make this cake and sweeten the world. So the first thing we're going to do is dye the frosting. What are we using here?
Dye.
Blue dye. So we want it to be nice and blue like Cookie Monster. Okay, so now we're going to put it inside the bag. Can you help me with that, Becky?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. 3, 4, 3, and 2. We need 12 cupcakes for this cake.
Mm-hmm.
Cookie Monster loves nice and moist cakes, doesn't he? And we like our cakes to be moist too, so we spray it with some Sweetwater, which is just water and sugar all mixed together. We're going to make that big face on Cookie Monster, his giant smile, so that we can fill his mouth with lots of yummy, yummy cookies. Right, Becky?
Mm-hmm.
It is best if you kind of circle around the Cookie Monster first with a blue line so you can kind of pick out his shape. And then add lots of little blobs of hair using this hair tip, which is tip 233.
He needs a shave.
He needs to shave. Why does he need to shave? He's a Cookie Monster.
He has long hair.
He does have long hair. Adding lots and lots of hair to our Cookie Monster, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
Me want cookies! Let me hear yours.
Me want cookies.
Oh, I think we're pretty good, aren't we? Next, we're going to add the big eyes. Now, he has the big eyes right on the top of his head, right?
Mm-hmm.
So he's not really looking straight. His eyes are kind of...
Like he just got busy.
He got busy. Yeah, he's dizzy. Oh. He's a very dizzy Cookie Monster. Maybe because he just ate too many cookies. Okay, the last thing we need to do is we need to put cookies into Cookie Monster. So lots of little pieces, big pieces, in Cookie Monster's mouth. And also we had a few extra cookies, so we added them to the bottom of the cake.
Me want cookies.
Thank you so much for watching Sweetwater Cakes. We hope that you had so much fun with us. Breck, thanks for making this cake with me. I had a blast.
Hit the subscribe button.
Go have a beautiful day, sweeten the world, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys. I want to see you eat this cookie just like Cookie Monster.
Okay.